Welcome back, my fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing. Have you ever wondered how some individuals have made fortunes by investing wisely in this decentralized form of money? Well, in this video, I will guide you through the fundamentals of cryptocurrency investing and share some expert tips to help you navigate this thrilling market. Don't forget to like and subscribe for daily interesting videos. So, let's get started. Part 1: Understanding Cryptocurrency. Before we begin investing, let's understand the basics. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. This technology ensures transparency, security, and eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. Part 2: Building a solid foundation. To succeed in cryptocurrency investing, it's crucial to build a solid foundation of knowledge. Start by researching different cryptocurrencies, their purposes, and the teams behind them. Get familiar with their market capitalization, trading volume, and historical performance. You can find this information on various cryptocurrency exchanges and financial websites. Part 3: Setting financial goals and risk assessment. It's important to set clear financial goals and assess your risk tolerance before diving into cryptocurrency investing. Determine your investment timeframe, whether it's short-term or long-term. Consider how much money you are willing to invest and be mindful of the potential risks associated with it. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Part 4: Choosing the right cryptocurrencies. With thousands of cryptocurrencies available, it's crucial to choose wisely. Look for cryptocurrencies with strong use cases, active development communities, and partnerships with reputable organizations. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are well-established cryptocurrencies, don't limit yourself to them. Explore promising projects that align with your investment goals. Part 5: Researching and Analyzing. Researching and analyzing cryptocurrencies is key to making informed investment decisions. Stay updated with news, market trends, and regulatory developments. Analyze the project's white paper, roadmap, and technology to evaluate its potential. Additionally, use technical analysis and study price charts to gain insights into market sentiment. Part 6: Developing a diversified portfolio. Building a diversified cryptocurrency portfolio helps manage risks and maximize potential gains. Invest in different cryptocurrencies across various sectors. Allocate a percentage of your portfolio to well-established cryptocurrencies and another percentage to high-potential, emerging projects. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio based on market conditions. Part 7: Security and Wallets. Protecting your cryptocurrency investments is of utmost importance. Ensure you use secure cryptocurrency wallets to store your digital assets. Consider hardware wallets, like Ledger and Trezor, which offer enhanced security through offline storage. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords for your exchange and wallet accounts. Part 8: Managing Emotions and Market Volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, which can evoke strong emotions. It's crucial to manage your emotions and avoid making impulsive decisions. Set realistic expectations, avoid panic selling during market downturns, and stick to your investment strategy. Remember, patience and discipline are essential traits for successful cryptocurrency investors. Part 9: Seeking professional advice. If you feel overwhelmed or lack expertise in cryptocurrency investing, consider seeking professional advice. Consult with financial advisors or join cryptocurrency investment communities. Networking and learning from experienced investors can provide valuable insights and help you make more informed decisions. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing. Remember, success in this field requires continuous learning, adaptability, and risk management. Be patient, stay informed, and invest with caution. With the right knowledge and approach, you can navigate the digital gold rush and potentially make a fortune. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful in your cryptocurrency investing journey. If you enjoyed this content, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, happy investing!